Hi friends, today I will discuss about another mysterious place of India, that is Jatinga of Assam. So far I have made two videos of two mysterious places of India. Hope you have watched it and like it. Jatinga happens to be a small village located in the Dima Hasao district of the beautiful state of Assam in northeast India. The beautiful mountains and the lush green forest will make anyone fall in love with the place at its first sight. However, the strange thing here is that Jatinga is popular in the world for an entirely different phenomenon. This phenomenon is not related to its scenic beauty, but the migratory birds which arrive here every year commit mass suicide. Yes, you heard it right. In fact, some of the local birds are also join the migratory birds and commit their so-called harakiri. This entire phenomenon of bird suicide in Jatinga has been a hot topic among numerous ornithologists and other scientific researchers for years. Every year between the month of September and November, groups of birds commit suicide between 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. This usually takes place when the entire area is gripped under cloud. Even some local birds like the heron and kingfisher take part in this mysterious phenomenon. A different study suggests that the birds get attracted to the light sources of the area, as it is the time when a lot of fog or mist hovers in the atmosphere. In fact, most of the birds die after hitting the light sources itself. And the strange fact here is that they do not even attempt to save themselves or fly away after hitting the particular source. The older generation of the village relates this phenomenon to something evil and supernatural. However, the Gen Y people in the village have a totally different theory about the same. According to them, the birds do not commit suicide actually. They are actually killed due to some other circumstances happening in the area during this time. The birds actually lose their sight because of the endless fog and hover here and there until they find a light source. In this process, they end up hitting electric poles, trees, and even buildings, because of which they get killed. However, some of them end up trapping the migratory birds themselves, which is definitely not acceptable. But with the advent of time, things have changed and the people have changed themselves too. However, the reason behind this mysterious death of birds has not been solved yet. That's all for the today. Friends, please watch it and I will again come with another mysterious video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.